Ndege Resource Center hosted its Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR) event in collaboration with Islamic Aid in Alego Usonga in Siaya County, bringing together education, health, and entertainment to benefit the children and the local community.
We are happy to be here at Ndege Resource Center. This year, we have collaborated with Ndege Resource Center. This center, they have over 380 children that they are helping. Initially, this program, they have always been doing it yearly. This year, they have invited Islamic Aid, and we are happy that we are giving back to our community.
The main reason why we are here today, we usually call it Ndege Resource Drive Day. So today we are going to meet kids or the children of different schools from different communities. They usually come here during the drive.
The two-day event held from 26th to 27th December 2024 aimed at bringing a lasting positive impact on the community.
At one point in 2021, we were getting about 150 kids who had jiggers, both on their feet and on their hands. And in August was the first time we were jiggers free. And that was a process that took almost 3 years. So that's one of our most, one of the moments we're really, really proud of, being able to enhance the quality of life of most of these kids just by removing something as simple as jiggers and something that we assume or we're not even purview to, we're not aware of. So improving the quality of life of these kids has been one of the biggest things that I can say I'm very proud of and we are proud of as a center.
Ndege Resource Center, located in Alego Usonga within Siaya County, has been a hub for the local initiatives that promote community welfare.
I got to know that if not for our help coming to the villages to see what our young brothers can do, we will never know what they are capable of doing. That's how we were brought up. So we will never forget how we were brought up. Someone came to the village to watch us play, and now we are on the TVs, we are on the market, we are playing in the big clubs. So I have this mindset that we can do the same for the young ones coming up. We need more of these things in the villages. We need more of educating football in the villages to bring out the good talent. We need some academies, we need some footballs, we need some people to come and observe the talent that we have here, because I've seen a great talent over there. They have more skills with the boss. I can confidently tell you that they are good. So they should come to the villages. It shouldn't be only in the city. They should come to the villages, and there are some good players here.
This year's CSR event saw a wide array of activities and services designed to uplift the community, including educational programs, medical care, and fun-filled recreational activities for children.
During COVID, as you know, things were a bit slow. Many kids were not going to school. Then we had a few issues of not even teenage pregnancy, but very young kids getting pregnant. And it was because they really didn't know what was going to happen in the next 2 weeks, 3 months, year. Like, it was just a mess for them. So upon seeing that, we said we need to do something, give back to the community, at least offer them a place they can be coming, during COVID especially, where they can come, they can at least take part in like activities, sports and stuff, and also just give a place where they could be taught or just do tuition, because we didn't know when school was coming back next, but we also needed them not to forget everything that was happening at school.
Speaking to Horizon TV, James Ndege, the director at Ndege Resource Center, said the event focused on bringing a tangible difference in the lives of the people of Alego Usonga.
Not all the kids are privileged, so you will find that some kids are chased from school, and their only association sometimes to, or the school only associates them to the resource center. Sometimes even the parents, they know the parents don't have the money, so they will come to us and be like, okay, so-and-so has been chased from school, how can you help? So we've had cases where we have actually paid bursary for some of the kids. This has been done out of pocket up until today, so that's definitely a challenge, but it's something that we're doing and we're managing.
I'm sure that if you help a child, it's like you've helped the old generation. So because when they are at this age, if we start with them, if we start nurturing them at early stage, it will really help a lot.
Ayan Abdi, the assistant project manager Islamic Aid, said The initiative, with support from the Islamic Aid, sought to address the most pressing issues of the community. Sentiments echoed by the Alego Usonga area Member of Parliament, Samuel Atandi.
This program, they have always been doing it yearly. This year they have invited Islamic Aid, and we are happy that we are giving back to our community. Inshallah, we brought a lot of donations for the children, and we hope to continue giving this support to the community.
This center has done so much for this community. When this center was set up, it was basically to take care of the privileged members of this community, the orphans, and many children who come from this community. This center has also been involved in a lot of health programs, as has been outlined. This area was notorious for jiggers. Jiggers is infestation. And this center has done so much to eradicate jiggers in this area. There have been many orphans that have benefited from this center. And for this year, we are very, very grateful because the center is expanding and is doing so many activities.
The center has been providing different necessities to the most vulnerable children, an initiative supported by different organizations and individuals, offering children access to resources and mentorship from experts in various fields.
We've tried reaching out to international donors. We've managed to secure jerseys outside the country from Spain, and we really thank the donor. And also for the butter, we're also thanking butter for coming through, since we reached out to them and they responded positively.
It is our day, with the help of Dr. Hassan Kenya, with his team, that we present this one to Ndege Resource Center Director, Mr. Jim, so that they can help the less fortunate children within the community.
This partnership has helped create sustainable development within the community, providing a lasting change.
I understand this area is mentoring the kids who have been marginalized. Some have early marriages, pregnant, but there are so many good athletes here, and sports have brought a lot of resources in this country. And to see somebody who have been given yesterday the seat, and she didn't forget where she came from. I think she was praying that she needs one hand. See what she has done. She's not a politician, but she has brought all this. She has brought us here to see what she has been struggling for a long time alone.
This was Ndege Resource Center's 4th edition of the Corporate Social Responsibility. The center was built during the COVID-19 pandemic, aimed to promote health awareness, strengthen community ties, and foster youth development.
We found a child who was 12 years old and was pregnant. So the thing that that stood out is that we thought maybe it was a case of them being abused, but it wasn't. It was them thinking that there's no future for them since it was COVID. As you guys remember, in the middle of April, people didn't even know if there's going to be school anymore. We've been lucky enough to have good friends to actually support us. So just catering to the kids on the day is something that's been, it's been a big challenge. It's been something that we've been facing because we offer breakfast, lunch, and 4 o'clock tea on the day. For the members of the community, I think it's been quite positive, very positive. We've had people coming and actually spending time with us for the entire day and actually giving their time, because at the end of the day, sometimes you may not have everything, you may not have the money, you may not have the actual material gifts to give people, but if you can offer time, if you can offer advice, if you can just talk to the kids, that is something that also is quite crucial into bringing, uplifting their spirits and helping the center.
The center is under the patronship of Honorable Attorney General Dorcas Odwar. Reporting for Horizon TV, my name is Kasim Mustafa.